The amass certainly generally is at present at $0 in entirely all expectations and purposes large way. The $0 level for SPELL USD explicitly is truly in every way that really matters, solid in a truly significant way. SPELL USD truly generally has gone up against with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, or so they especially thought. Most certainly bears control spells exceptionally current cost activities, which in a real sense sort of is very critical. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through especially token cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly for the most part sought clarification on some things. What for the most part sort of is truly transient cost expectation for in a real sense spell token, in every way that really matters, is certainly spell a sort of wise speculation, which for the most part is very huge, spell kind of exceptionally token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the spell specialized examination, actually certainly let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situation, showing that yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense let us explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours. There basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the actual sort of whole digital money market to $1.122.112.304.788, which really is genuinely critical. The complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $22,757,277,610 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that fundamentally spell genuinely token help and opposition levels and so on, or so they basically thought, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in a kind of in every way that really matters, significant way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As ETHEREUM truly has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52, following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP in a real sense is somewhere near 1.1 and as of now exchanging at 46 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly especially shows that Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that certainly spell especially token help and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in a for the most part significant manner. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in a kind of extremely descending heading for essentially exceptionally transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a pretty really broad extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. Spell certainly genuinely token help and obstruction backing and opposition essentially are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they fundamentally generally thought. Support fundamentally certainly is a level at which purchasers by and large become sort of additional in every practical sense, sort of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the spell specialized examination, basically let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations, showing that yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the spell specialized investigation, especially let us really discuss the especially current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants for the most part become move pretty certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unpretentious manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of truly spell commonly token execution. The cost of certainly spell in every practical sense. Token for the most part is at $0, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours and has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $7,682,709.00 US, while really all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 USD. So certainly spell all things considered, fundamentally token help and opposition levels and so on in an extremely huge manner. There most certainly are practically 103,446,920,678 basically explicitly are available for use out of 103,240,939,480 in an unpretentious manner. Spell in every practical sense. Token value examination in a real sense. Spell cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span, all things considered. Made sense of beneath and in an every practical sense, significant way. We utilize sort of extremely relative strength index, moving truly normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving fundamentally normal, and outstanding moving truly normal to for the most part break down the future development of the spell token, showing how explicitly spell truly token value examination certainly spell cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time period explicitly by and large made sense of underneath in a really significant manner. While spell's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange extremely kind of sign explicitly is certainly conceivable at this rate. So there by and large are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a sort of huge manner. The SPELL USD moving especially normal combination and difference marker generally is demonstrating a by and large present moment essentially sell commonly extremely signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath fundamental. Beautiful sign line which generally especially implies generally bears truly are ruling on the lookout. Pretty fundamentally further appearance how as of now, an exceptionally broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may in a real sense track down help at these significant degrees of $0. Moving underneath these levels could for the most part carry the cost to $0. So SPELL USD explicitly in every practical sense is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in an unobtrusive manner. On the fundamentally opposite side, the obstruction levels generally are at $0 a sort of significant manner. A bullish breakout from the above levels may by and large lead the cost to the $0, showing how especially spell commonly token value examination basically spell cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a for the most part day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. The pretty in every practical sense, relative strength file for sort of spell coin generally is right now floating at 18 for 14 days truly normal line, which truly implies in every practical sense, spell for the most part explicitly is an oversold zone and a pattern by and large inversion all things considered, is conceivable, exhibiting how truly spell fundamentally token value examination essentially spell cost examination for the 22nd of May 2023 inside and in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time period basically made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive manner.